And welcome back. Paul, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Megan Horak about the role of conservation in agriculture. And now Megan is back with a recipe to share. Karen is standing by now with more.
Excited to share this recipe today. It's for a dill pickle pasta. I don't think I've ever had this before.
Great, then you're in for a treat.
I am. Where'd you get the recipe?
I actually found it on Pinterest, and it came to an idea because I had some pickles on hand for my sister-in-law that canned them this last summer out of her garden, so I'm excited for you to try it.
All right, your family loves it?
I do, you know.
I'm sure a lot of people love it. All right, well, how do we begin?
So you're gonna first start with some rotini pasta, or your pasta you're choosing, and then you're gonna add some pickle juice from the jar on that.
Oh.
The recipe does say to drain it out, but I keep it in because if you're gonna make this the night before or whatever, you want that extra moisture so that your dressing doesn't dry out.
Okay.
So basically you're just gonna dump that in.
And this would be good to take to any kind of gathering,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
guessing.
Yeah.
Perfect. And you make it the night before?
I do, you know, because mornings, if you're going somewhere with kids, it's crazy. You just don't always have time to get up and get that done. So, and then you're going to cube up some cheese, or you can buy the pre-cubed cheese. I chose to buy mine and cube it up myself.
Okay.
And then a white onion, or you could change this recipe and use a sweet onion or a red onion, whatever onion you prefer.
Okay.
And then you're going to use some chopped pickles. You can use, like I'm using homemade canned ones, or you can use ones from the store. Doesn't really matter.
Okay, perfect. Mix that together. Awesome. And then this is the dressing over here.
Yep. So you got your mayo and your sour cream there, or yeah, mayo and sour cream.
Perfect. Do you use light, Megan, or do you?
You know, I don't. I use the full fat, you know.
The good stuff.
The good stuff. So, and this is not a recipe you want to skip on. And then I used the dried dill and the salt, pepper, and then you're going to add a little bit more pickle juice from your jar, and then you mix that all together.
All right, so pickle juice kind of the key here.
Yeah, especially when those noodles kind of soak in that pickle juice, and they really get that dill pickle flavor.
Okay, as I'm stirring here, we are taking a look at the recipe on your screen. Again, this recipe is on Facebook. It's on Pure Nebraska Facebook and on my Facebook, if you want to take your time and copy it down. All right, perfect. All right, so then you combine both.
Yep, and you're just going to mix it all together. Put a lid on it, put it in the fridge for a couple hours if you're going to serve it right away. Otherwise, you know, put it in overnight, whatever works for you. But yeah. That's it, and it's really simple to put together once you have all the
I love it.
ingredients prepped.
All right, and if you love pickles, this is a good salad for you. I'm going to give it a try. It is very good.
Good.
I really like it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Megan.
You're welcome.
As I chew my food here. Again, this recipe is on Facebook if you want to copy it down. I'll continue to eat here, and we'll share it with the folks here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, back to you, John.